This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering footage so Final Cut can sync. Import all camera files into a single event and check frame rates and audio formats. Once done, select the clips you want to combine, more tracks are fine, and right-click to choose New Multicam clip. This creates the multicam container. Make sure to name it clearly. You're doing this now so syncing and angle selection later are consistent and simple, which saves time when cutting. Open the multicam clip in the angle editor and check that audio-based sync lock the takes together. If auto fails, use /out points or timecode to align manually. Once synced, enable camera angle names and audio waveforms to confirm lip sync and key events. You can disable unused angles to lighten playback load. Make sure the primary audio roll is set to the best quality track. This ensures smooth scrubbing and accurate angle switching when you cut. Place the multicam clip into your timeline, play it, and switch angles live using the angle viewer or keys 1 through 9. You'll capture performance timing naturally. Once you've recorded angle changes, refine edits on the timeline, add audio crossfades to avoid pops, and apply color corrections per angle to match looks. If you notice drift or misalignment, stop, select the source clips and resynchronize or recreate the multicam clip. This fixes most common sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.